If you guys are facing this ban message inside of Fortnite, it probably means your HWID banned, which occurs when Fortnite/Epic Games anti-cheat, known as EAC, puts a blacklist on your motherboard, making it so you can't play the game again. But I have a solution, so make sure to watch until the very end of the video. Welcome back, guys. We're checking out Vertex Solutions Permanent HWID Spoofer. It's a one-click application designed to get you unbanned in the quickest amount of time possible, so you don't have to spend a ton of money on a brand new motherboard just to hop right back into your favorite game. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Once you get on over to Vertex's website, go ahead and scroll down and click on the spoofing category. And then go ahead and click on the Permanent HWID. Once you go ahead and click on this, you'll see the one-time purchase and the lifetime. If you're going to continue cheating, go with the lifetime option, as it will save you a lot of money. You can also get the one-time if you're going to stop cheating, as well as you can see its secure delivery, instant 24/7 support with all their product features and supported games. We can then add it to our cart and check out and open it on up. To actually download the spoofer, go to the Vertex setup guide and download the Vertex Permanent HWID Spoofer. Then we can go ahead and open it on up. Once you go ahead and launch the application on up, we can go to the device tab and simply go ahead and click on check serials. As you can see, mine are currently changed, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again. So we can head over to the spoofing tab, turn on GPU or turn it off, change your seating system and confirm it, click on permanent spoof and choose your motherboard, and I will see you guys once it's done. And I'm going to hop into a game with cheats, proving that this spoofing does work. As you can see, the spoofing has now completed. We can reboot our device, and I'm gonna hop right into a Fortnite game. Alright boys, we're in the game. As you guys just saw, I went ahead and hopped into a game with cheats, proving that this spoofer does work with anything. You can go ahead and check out Vertex and all of their links down below in the description. Peace out.